this video, we will discuss about Google Scholar research. There are various tools to do literature review, such as Google Scholar, PubMed, Web of Science, Scopus. In this video, we will discuss about Google Scholar. So go to scholar.google.com. It is like google.com, and you can type your own research keyword or title or your research description here and search, click on search. So you will get many results. Here we got 5740 results. Out of them, all these are sorted according to relevance, sorted by relevance, and you can also sort them according to the date. So these paper published 5 days ago only, and this is published 13 days ago in elsewhere publisher in the Journal of Intelligent System with Applications. Right, like this, there are many. You can this paper PDF is also available in ResearchGate, published in Springer Publisher in the Journal of Signal, Image and Video Processing. And you can also search by relevance, sort by relevance. Cited this paper in published in IEEE transaction in the year of 2012, cited by 1026 citations are there for this paper. PDF is also available in archive.org, right? And you can also arrange them in a custom range, 2025 published papers, 2024 published papers. Like that, you can also arrange them. And also, you can include some patents and only type of article like review articles. Also, you can check. See, this is IEEE Access paper. A review state of the art article. PDF is also available and cited by 1104. This paper published in 2019. So you can collect various papers recently published, highly cited papers like that. And in the next video, we will discuss about PubMed literature review. Thank you.